Hi, my name is Scott Newman from US Marker Board with the question of the week. Question came from Glenn from Chicago, Illinois, and what he wanted to know was how do you get permanent marker off of a dry erase surface? Great question. We get this a lot. So if you have a magnetic surface, you can stick a magnet to it, you're in great shape. If you don't, then you're going to need to test the surface with what I'm going to show you and see if it comes out. High pressure limit, no problem. Melamine, you might have a little bit difficult of an issue, but I'm going to show you anyway. So, unhappy face. You have a Sharpie that was written on your board and you don't know how to get it off, and I'm going to take my little rag and I'm going to wipe it off and I'm going to show you that that's permanent marker on there and it's not coming off. Then you take a dry erase marker. Any dry erase marker will do. And you color over the area that has the permanent marker. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take a little rag and wipe it off. And voila, off comes your permanent marker. So, the key to success is having a magnetic surface. If you don't, high pressure laminate will come off, but melamine you might have a little bit more difficult because it's got a much more porous surface. My name is Scott Newman with the question of the week. I want to thank Glenn from Chicago, Illinois, and we look forward to seeing you next week.